I am Niall Amari from Best RV in Torla, California. What is behind me is the floor plan. Every customer is looking at a fifth wheel asking he want it. So we got a lot of customers that come say, Niall, I need this floor plan. Niall, I need this size. Niall, I need rear living, triple slide, 31 feet, over length, 34. You could do it with a big, heavy half-ton towable truck or 3/4 ton. But this is number one selling floor plan. Everybody like this floor plan because it gives you the ability, the big view in the back with the sofa underneath the window. You have theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace. You have a dinette facing the kitchen island in the middle. So you have a kitchen island in the middle with the sink. Then there's behind the kitchen island, you have whole kitchen, the fridge, the stove, the microwave. And then on front of that, you have a full closets or cabinet with a counter space. So a lot of counter space. Is roomy, triple slide because you have a king size bedroom in the front, and you have a bathroom with 2 vanity. So this is the most sellable floor plan. Everybody love it because it gives you the 2 vanity as we said. Now, what it is behind me, it is the brand new 2025 Dutchmen Astoria 3173 RL. RL is mean from rear living. And let me show you all the features outside, and then I'm gonna take you inside, and I'm positive you're gonna love this floor plan. So the first thing is they give you Astoria Platinum. I love all this LED light in the front. This is new things they did. So this side here and this side, they put you the curved switch reflex to make a smoother ride on your fifth wheel on the Kempin box. This is painted, this is not a decal, aerodynamic. And again, you could do it with a heavy half truck if you can, or a 3/4 ton truck. Now, look at it over here. They give you 2 power awning with LED light. Dutchmen Astoria, one thing they did for 25 I really love is every slide out they add the slide topper in it. You could not believe the value you're gonna get from the slide toppers to protect it from the leaves, birds, pines, leaves, and so on. It make it easier to make the unit clean inside, so when you close the slide out, you don't drag all the dirt from outside inside. And it protects your slide out from the rain, protect it from the snow. So it's really nice feature. Astoria, they start putting on all their unit. Now, if you look outside, look how beautiful it is. 31 feet, tip to tip, around 34. It has outside TV hookup right there with the bracket, 2 GPL speakers, 2 power awnings. You could see in the top the solar panel. So it has the solar panel, 200-watt solar panel, Azdel fiberglass with alpha plate roofing materials. That's a big deal to give you a good roofing. That's the reason why they give you 1 year tip to tip, 3-year structures, and 12 years on the roof. Going over here, that's the bracket I told you about it. They give you outdoor barbecue grill hookup, and so you have the grills as well the LP Quick Connect. I love this. They make my life easy. Some brands now they start putting the Leopard expandable ladder, but the Astoria they kept it the way it was before. They give you the rear ladder, so you don't have to spend $250 for that expandable one. Come with it. Come with a backup camera prepped, class 3 hitch, 2 hitch with a plug, so you could pull a boat, jet skis. If you could do triple, 50 amp cord and 50 amp plug. 2 slide out this side, this is the kitchen slide with the entertainment TV facing the theater seating and the table and 4 chair. Slide toppers as you see in every sink. Look how shiny it is because it's a gel coated fiberglass. That's a big also. And then you have endless hot water heater on this unit. And then when you look at the basement storage, I love this one. It's accessible both way. And they did everything in one docking station. Show them this because this is a big deal. All the city water connection, black water connections, and black tank flush, one rising, outside shower, outside sprayers, and also cable satellite is one location. And then over here you could see the auto leveling. I could do the auto leveling here. Aluminum frame, that's a good plus. LED, That box right there is the solar panel controller, the 30 amp. And over there, we have the outdoor barbecue grill is located there. And by the way, come with the grill on that unit, so you don't have to go buy a grill. And then over here we have 2 7-gallons, one on this side and one the other side. And then right here you have inverter prep, as you see the stickers right there. And then you have the spare tires inside, protected, and the battery disconnect. And again, the 2 batteries will go there. And then you have additional, this is additional solar panel hookup. If you want to add more solar, if you have extra one around your house. Another 7-gallon tank, as I said, in one each side. And going over here, this is the other side of the pass-through storage. It's magnet, as you see, I love it. And then there's a switch here for turning the light on, off, you see it? And then here's the controller for the controller for the solar panel, because it has 200-watt solar panel with a 30 amp controller. Let's go inside. In rear living, look how beautiful this view. You have a nice hide-a-bed sofa. Oh my God, they're so comfy. And then you have a nice shelf here. You put your cup of waters, drinks, 110 plug, USB plug on both sides. So if you're sitting here or laying down when you're making it a bed, you have power on both sides. Look how beautiful these windows, and these windows, it's open. I want to open them so you could enjoy the nice rear view. Unfortunately, you look at RVs, but imagine you are sitting next to the ocean or river or in the forest, and you have a beautiful view in the rear of the unit. Full storage. So they give you storage here, and they're European hinges, modern, contemporary handles. This unit comes with 2 AC, one in the living room, one in the bedroom, as you see. Beautiful, big, huge, humongous. Oh, just want to sit and relax and sleep. I mean, physically, you almost could sleep on it if you want to. 2-tier seating with a middle console where you put your remote control and you drink right here and you just go to bed. And really, to be honest with you, they're really comfy. You need to come and try it. I'm honest. I mean, you should see the look of them and the way how they are. Facing you, a smart TV, a fireplace, and then you have a stereo system here with the Bluetooth speakers, and all of that is right here. And again, it's a Bluetooth. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Nice, solid 2 chairs. They're big, and the table is fixed, so I don't have to strap this table anymore like the old school. No legs in between. Very solid. Now, if you and the wife or significant other, you could put the 1 chair here, 1 chair there, and use this bench as ottoman in front of the sofa. Or if you are multiple than 2 people, well, you have a bench here. You could set 2 here, 2 there. Nice eating table. And the bench is a storage. Voila. Now, going to the kitchen. Look how beautiful this solid surface with LED light built in. There it has really modern sink where you have the waterfall, soap dispensers, rice faucet, different trays, cutting board, rinsing the cup. Love this sink. And then we have tinsel door, place for trash cans, solid. I like the cabinet. It's a solid wood. These are solid wood, not a wrap. Place for trash can, cooking pans, chemicals, you name it. Plenty storage. I don't know what you want to add more than that. And then you have behind you a 30-inch microwave with the storage. They don't waste any space. USB plug chargers, 110, nice 3-burner range. An oven, cooking pan tray, or cooking pans, more storage. And ladies, don't complain, say I don't have pantry, because you have a beautiful pantry, LED lidded, and this pantry with adjustable shelf. I could go put the shelf, I'll give you an example. If I want to go up, I could go down, for example, I could do that. If I want to add more, I could do that. Voila, adjustable and lid. And I like this glass with LED light. Over here they give you the 2-door, one for fridge, one for freezer. This is the hose for outside sprayers, you name it. And coming, look here, believe me, I mean, what do you need more than this in kitchen counter space? You have a nice area where you have a coffee maker, toaster, margarita mixer. What else do you want to add here? Huge counter space. I mean, if you invite people for your fifth wheel, you could use it as a bar where you could put munchies for them, so they could come and take food, drinks. There's a nice place here for towels. A nice prepping area around the right of the sink, left of the sink. So you could go from here, grab your food here, there's. So it's very functional, way nicer. And then cabinet, what else you need? You could make it like a bar, or you put your booze in glasses, or again, more kitchen storage, more doors. I mean, look how deep these doors, and you could see them because this LED light. That's why I'm saying why people, they love this floor plan of the rear living on the 31, is they love the kitchen island, plus you have a huge kitchen counter space facing that front of the kitchen island, where it give you more room. Look, this nice black and gold contemporary lightings. I mean, the unit speak for itself, come on. And then coming over here, nice grip handle. And you come to this bedroom, everything. You have a reading light, and there's another one on that side, USB plug, 110 for breathing machines, LED lights, king size bed, facing a smart TV. This is your second AC for the bedroom. More storage. And again, you want a washer and dryers. This is a shelf. I could use a washer dryers for the shelf if I want stackable, or I could use, this is the grill, I could use combo or stackable. And then you have here beautiful closets in the front. And then from that closet with the mirrors, you're gonna go to the bathroom, and that is where is the money. 2 vanity on 31 feet fifth wheel. Prepping area, medicine cabinet. You could use this as medicine cabinet, or you could use them for makeup. A place to plug hair dryers. Here's a 110 hair dryers, shaving machine, window in the bathroom, nice porcelain toilet, no issue for knees, standing showers with a big huge glass door. And very roomy skylight, elbow, and you have linen closet here, so you put some linens. So this is the 3173RL. It's amazing fifth wheel. Come to Best RV, and we assure you no one will match our prices, and we sell it for less, and you could have it and go camping.